emote because this is my first time to be the host in an 18th birthday like this. Okay, so once again, welcome everybody, especially to all the relatives, friends, classmates, schoolmates, and friends tonight. So, are you all excited sa ating event tonight? Who support? Everybody say yes! Okay, thank you. If I say happy 18th birthday, you should say Kyra. Dali na kayo na. And if I say Kyra, you should say happy 18th birthday. Lisod, dali. Dali. Happy 18th birthday? Kyra. Kyra? Happy 18th birthday. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, tonight is one of the big day or best event that happened in our life, especially the life of